Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about network interface card. Several times you connect a LAN cable with our computer to access internet. For this purpose, male RJ45 connector of LAN cable is connecting to female RJ45 connector present in our PC. This RJ45 female port in our PC is embedded in a separate socket, and this socket is called network interface card. So, Network Interface Card or NIC is a separate computer hardware component present in our computer used to connect and share data among number of computers. Network interface cards are also called as network interface controller or network adapters or LAN adapters. Network interface cards can be wired or wireless. Network interface cards are used to share data using LAN cables are called wired network interface cards. On the other hand, data sharing between two devices by connecting them via Wi-Fi network is done by using wireless network interface cards. We connect our mobile phones to a Wi-Fi network using wireless network interface cards. So, network interface cards are must for a device to connect internet. You are able to watch this video this time in YouTube only because your device is having network interface card. Which network interface card your device is having? Wired or wireless? Write in the comment section below. So, this is about network interface card. If you got to learn anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.